how to increase the bass sound or the deeper frequencies inside Davinci Resolve. Come here to the inspector, audio, and here we have Equalizer. Click on Equalizer to expand it and enable the Equalizer. Now you have these two dots here, and on the left side they are the bass, that is the low frequencies, and by dragging this circle you can increase the low frequencies or decrease them. And since I want more bass in the sound of this track, I will increase them. If you want, you can use that one, but it's decreasing it in a different manner. So band 3, that's the 3, band 2 is that 2. You can click on it to enable it or disable it. So band 3 should not use that shape, but this shape where the sound can be dragged down or can be dragged up. So use that one, and you can lower the high frequencies if you want, and with that one you can increase the low frequencies. Speech is somewhere in the middle between the low and the high. Okay, so let's just make a selection also. Let's go somewhere there, press the letter I on the keyboard. A selection is added. Go, let's say, somewhere there and press O on the keyboard. So input, that is I, and output, that is O. And check this loop. And now if I play it, it will loop only that region so that we can preview it. This equalizer is applied to the entire clip. That's why there's that black wave line at the end. Okay, so let's just preview that small portion. For example, here's the video editor and it's now it's disabled. Here's the video editor and it's sending a, for example, here's the, and now it's enabled. And it's sending a, for example, now it's a deeper sound. And it's sending a, for example, here's the video editor. Now it's a higher sound. For example, here's the video editor and it's sending a, for example, here's the. If you don't want this modification, then you can press that reset button next to the equalizer, and that wave line should disappear. Like so. To get rid of this selection, just press Alt X, and that's it. Okay, so I need a little bit of low frequency, and I will use that one. Video editor, and it's sending a. Okay, so that's how to increase the bass sound inside Davinci Resolve.